Hey everyone, Ken here with Ken's Creations and Product Reviews. Today we're finally taking a look and comparing all of the EasyPress models from the mini all the way up to the 12x10. How do these compare? Is it something you want to buy? What's the price difference? How much do they weigh? We're going to cover that all in the video. Cricut EasyPress. They say it's like magic. For quick, consistent, professional heat transfers that last and last. With even heat from edge to edge, simple controls, and smart features, the Cricut EasyPress family makes it easy to take on any heat transfer project that comes your way. So, what makes them different? Well, an EasyPress has the speed of a heat press, but the convenience of an iron. Simply set time and temp, apply heat, enjoy lasting results. Precise temperature control up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 205 degrees Celsius. Just enter the recommended time and temperature settings for your HTV or infusible ink project. Also, did you know you can hold down the temp button to make it Celsius? When your EasyPress gets to temperature, the little red Cricut head will go to a green Cricut head, letting you know it's ready. Just press that to start your project. The Cricut EasyPress family has advanced heat plate design, ceramic coated surface, and two unique heating elements, creating edge-to-edge heat for pro-level transfers. Take a look at this comparison to a home traditional iron. This is what makes it different, that even heating across the whole EasyPress versus iron, which is not as consistent. And no more guesswork. Cricut's online heat transfer guide gives you proven time and temperature settings for virtually any project. Just select your EasyPress, base material, and your heat transfer material. Then the guide walks you through the perfect application. Let's take a look at some of the Cricut EasyPress safety features. One of my favorites is the auto shutoff feature. It turns off after 10 minutes of inactivity. Even though the Cricut EasyPresses get up to 400 degrees, you can breathe a sigh of relief because with the installed safety base, not only does it protect your work surface, but it also protects those little child hands that might reach up and touch it. Of course, you're going to want to get the Cricut EasyPress mat, which will protect your surfaces. These mats feature 5 layers of insulation to direct heat to your transfer, remove moisture, and provide just the right amount of give. Available in 3 sizes and now in a playful polka dot pattern, these essential companions make it easy to enjoy flawless heat transfer results. Take your Cricut EasyPress, safety base, mat, and small accessories on the go for flawless iron-on transfers anywhere. Constructed with rugged, heat-resistant materials, this attractive tote keeps your machine protected from bumps and scrapes during your making adventures. A comfortable shoulder strap and a strong handle with natural grip give you carrying options, while the Velcro straps tethers the machine safely in place during travel. Thoughtful features include a back and front pocket to keep your mat and iron-on accessories organized wherever you go. What sizes does the Cricut EasyPress come in? Well, let's meet the family. The Cricut EasyPress machines come in 4 distinct sizes to fit a wide variety of applications, from big and bold graphics to small details in hard-to-reach spaces. You can go with the 12x10, 9x9, 6x7, or the brand new mini coming in at just 1.92 by 3.25 inches. Say hello to the Cricut EasyPress2 baby. This comes in at 6x7 inches, weighs 3 pounds, 0.5 ounces, and is ideal for smaller projects like baby clothes, accessories, hats, and more. Here we have the standard 9x9 Cricut EasyPress2. This comes in 9x9, has a weight of 5 pounds, 6.6 ounces, and is ideal for basic t-shirts, tote bags, pillows, aprons, and more. That leaves us with the 12x10. This is the big guy. He comes in at 8 pounds, 2.6 ounces. He's ideal for t-shirts, sweatshirts, banners, blankets, and more. The EasyPress2 family has 2 colors in raspberry and mint. And with so many sizes, which one should you go with? Well, let's do a project using all 3 of the EasyPress to give you an idea of what you could use it for in your craft room. And don't worry, we're also going to cover the mini at the end of the video. First up is the baby EasyPress. Now we're going to make this onesie and we're using pattern iron-on and 100% cotton. What does our heat transfer guide tell us? Well, let's take a look. We will follow the instructions and heat at 340 degrees for 30 seconds with a preheat of 5 seconds and follow the directions. First, we're going to set the temperature up to the 340 degrees and let it start preheating. We're going to slide the EasyPress baby mat inside the baby onesie and line up are I literally just sit my pants, pattern iron on exactly where we want it. We use the 3-finger method. That gives us 3 fingers in between the top and the start of the transfer. Just press down, apply in both spots on this baby onesie, and it is a cold peel. So once it is cold, go ahead and peel. Voila! Up next is the 9x9 EasyPress. Now, you can use the EasyPress with stuff besides Cricut. Here I have a 17x17 pillow I got at IKEA, and I'm going to be using Chalkology ink from Chalk Couture on this. Now, the EasyPress 9x9 works so good as in place, I should say, of an iron. I love it. Take it wherever you travel. Now, we are setting the Chalkology ink at 305 degrees for 30 seconds on all parts of it, but it works amazing. So think outside the box. This is more than just Cricut material here, but look at the results. Absolutely stunning. Up next is the Big Mama Jamma, the 12x10, and we're going to be doing an adult t-shirt on this. Now, I will say put your EasyPress mat inside of your shirt. This will work out much better for you, and it will protect your shirt and it sticking to the back. Also use a lint roller to get all that pesky hair off. We're going to go to our transfer guide and see what it says. We're going to pick everyday iron-on and 100% cotton. It's going to tell us that we are going to want to do 315 degrees for 30 seconds, 5-second preheat, and we'll follow the other instructions. Now we can set our temperature by hitting the temperature key and go up or minus. We've set our time and we just have to wait for it to heat up. Once it's heat up, we'll just follow, hit that little Cricut head, do the countdown, heat it all over, even heat, and this shirt is also a cold peel. So once you have it's cooled, remove that liner, and look at that. I need space. Where's my Disney fans at? I love this project. As promised, I want you to say hello to the new addition, the Cricut EasyPress Mini, the perfect complement to Cricut EasyPress2. The Cricut EasyPress Mini comes in at an amazing small size of 1.92 inches by 3.25 inches and only weighs 10 ounces. With its compact size and hand-friendly grip, Cricut EasyPress Mini easily takes on curved surfaces as well as hard-to-reach spots between seams and buttons. Unleash the power of small. No object is too small. No idea is too big. With Cricut EasyPress Mini, it's easy to customize hats, personalize shoes, or add style to stuffed animals. Mini but mighty. It's a pocket-sized heat press, but don't be fooled by its size. Cricut EasyPress Mini packs power in all the right places, even for the most unusual objects and projects. It's the perfect shape. As we said earlier, it's 1.92 inches wide by 3.2 tall. Provides ideal tip and edge control so you can place heat evenly exactly where you need it. It has an advanced heat plate design with an extra layer of protection on its heat plate. The Cricut EasyPress Mini effortlessly glides over base to adhere to your design. Has 3 easy heat settings. It's all you need to adhere your artwork to almost any base material, and thoughtful safety features. Insulated safety base protects your work surface. Auto shutoff feature turns it off after 13 minutes of inactivity. Unusual objects and impossible projects are no longer a challenge. Cricut EasyPress Mini makes professional heat transfer results possible for even your most sharply objects and projects. Include baby shoes, hats, stuffed animals, and more. Its thoughtful, compact design makes it effortless to curve with contours, getting between buttons and squeeze into seams. 3 simple heat settings take on every possible heat transfer project, including permanent and fusible ink transfers that become one with the base material. With an extra layer of protection on its ceramic heat plate, Cricut EasyPress Mini effortlessly glides over oddly shaped surfaces to transfer your design. Safety features include an insulated base, an auto shutoff feature, it's lightweight, portable, easy to store, and compatible with major brands of HTV, iron-on, and the entire infusible ink family of products. It's a perfect complement to any Cricut cutting machine. So who wants to see the EasyPress Mini in action? I know I do. We're going to make a pair of socks with infusible ink. Now, did you know the heat transfer guide has been updated to show the EasyPress Mini? Now we can choose the EasyPress Mini, infusible ink transfer sheets, and we have socks, so I'm going to choose the baby onesie. This tells us that we want the first setting, which is around 315 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to preheat for 5 seconds, and then we're going to press for 30 seconds. It also tells us our supplies, our preparation, our application, and any tips of the trade we might need. So let's get started with our project. Now, we know that this is only needs to be on the first setting, but I wanted to show you how quickly this heats up. Wow, look at that. Even on the third setting, how quick it is. Now we are going to follow the tips and trade. We're going to grab a lint roller, remove any hair that is on the socks. Then we can put our infusible ink. Remember to mirror your image. This is 2 pairs of socks, single and looking for the perfect pair. How cute is that? Now we only need to do that infusible ink for 30 seconds. Once that 30 seconds is up, we can remove the liner. And this is infused into these polyester socks, you guys. Look at that. This is not iron on. That is in the actual socks. Amazing. So once again, we're going to do the single and looking there for 30 seconds, and voila, look at that. How amazing. I also want to show you, you can use the baby EasyPress for projects like this, but I prefer the mini. It is mini, but it is pretty mighty. And I have to say, I'm kind of seeing a need for this little machine. So here's all of the projects we made with the EasyPress family. I have to say, we had a blast making this video, and these are must have in any house across the world that does any kind of DIY projects. The EasyPress family is a must. Now, we appreciate you watching today's video and hope you got a lot out of this review. All of the links are down below to the prices, to Cricut. When you use these links, they help support Ken's Creations, and for that we thank you. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel and become a Patreon to get special perks only for you. We also have some other videos you might like. Thanks!